How to fix Snapchat message updating. First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Go to the apps like this, and now on this page you have to wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Snapchat. When you find the Snapchat app, click on it. And then all what you want to do next is click on the notifications management and click on turn off notifications. Go back and now click on the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. And the last thing you want to do is click on storage, click on clear cache, and then click on clear data and click on delete. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.